Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Yesterday I got a bent iPad from my friend. I tried to find some solution to fix it. I just got it and checked. Fortunately, the situation was not too terrible. You can see there only one side bent, another side still good. LCD and touch function work properly. So I think, no need to disassemble it and replace the aluminum shell. Maybe I can bend it back. Here you can see only this side bend. I measure there from top to bottom around 6 millimeters. I checked the articles on iFixit.com. The iPad Gen 6 really uses a non-fused display combination. The digitizer glass and LCD panel are separate. That's why it bends so much, but LCD still work properly. Now I need a little accessories. Here are some soft PVC. Cut it to make some spaces. And rack up the iPad. No need too high. Around one iPad thick is enough. So now start to bend it by hand. Aluminum is a soft material, but this corner make it be a strong shell. So I can focus here, push it hard enough, but slow, and hold it for a while, around 30 seconds. I need repeat this many times. These actions are need my patience. Only fix a little once time, not too much. To protect the digitizer glass not too hard to damage. After a few times, I need to adjust distance of spaces to make iPad can be bent by wider curve. Also adjust the push focus. Measure again to know the update situation. Around 3 millimeters. Better now. Okay, continue for a few more times. Finally, I got this. It's almost restored. Two sides almost the same. I'm afraid it will damage when I bend it too much, so I think now is enough. It works properly, no any side effect. Thank you for watching this, and see you on the next video. Bye.